Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the wonderful features of combinatoric iterators found in Python's itertools module. These tools allow us to generate all possible combinations, permutations, or Cartesian products of any iterable. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, you'll find these functions incredibly useful. Let's begin with the product function. This function computes the Cartesian product of an input iterable, mimicking the behavior of nested for loops. You can also specify how many times the iterable is repeated using the repeat argument. Let's see it in action. In this example, we generate the Cartesian product of the characters A and B, producing all possible pairs in tuple form. This is a simple yet powerful way to explore combinations. Next up is the permutations function. This one generates all possible arrangements of the input iterable, and you can control the length of these arrangements using the R argument. If you don't specify R, it defaults to the length of the iterable itself. Let's check it out. Here, we've created all possible two-character permutations of the string ABC. Each output is a tuple that showcases a unique arrangement of characters. Finally, let's explore the combinations function. Unlike permutations, combinations generate all possible selections from the input iterable, disregarding the order of elements. You can specify the length using the R argument as well. Let's see an example. In this case, we generate all pairwise combinations of the items in the list ABC. Each output is a unique pair, showcasing the power of combinations. In summary, these combinatoric functions from the itertools module are invaluable for generating every possible combination or arrangement of elements. They come in handy for problem-solving scenarios where every conceivable subset is required. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coding with Python.